So what you can also do is you can render out noises from scratch inside of GIMP. So in order to render out noises, first of all, I need to go around over here onto file, and then I'm going to go around and then press OK. And I have a blank file right here. So now I'm going to go around under filters right here, and over here you can see that render is an option, and here you can see that noise is an option right here. If I were to go around over here onto cell noise, then this is what you have. You can go around and change around these scale, as you can see right here. You can change around the shape, as you can see right here as well, and then change around the rank right here, just like this as well, to get this cell kind of a noise right here. Then you got the iteration, as you can see right here, just like this, and change around the random seed around over here, just like this as well. So you can also see that you can work around with the opacity. So if you have any other image, then you can work around with the opacity and see the split view as well. So once you're happy, you can just simply go around and press OK right here. So apart from that, there are other type of noises as well. So there is swirling noise, as you can see right here, which works in a similar way. You can go around and scale it out right here, go work around with Z offset and change around the iteration. And this is the effect that you have right here. Similarly, you get the plasma noise right here, just like this. So you can go around, work around with the turbulence, as you can see right here, and change around the seed as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. Similarly, if I were to go around over here onto noise right here, there's simplex noise as well. So you can go around and scale right here, change around the seed right here. So this is like a traditional noise right here, just like this. You can change around the iteration for more detail, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and press OK, I can go around onto render, and here you can see that another part over here is go for solid noise as well. So you can go around, change around the size, as you can see right here, change around the detail, and change around the random seed right here. You can work around, make it turbulent right here, or you can make it tileable, as you can see right here, just like this. If I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have. So over here, and then you can see that there's different clouds, as you can see right here, and you can have a cloud noise at the end, just like this as well. So that is how you can render out noise inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.